and they also gave us input like how to prepare for the next round. Today, I never expected that the day would go this smooth. I would like to tell like if something is meant for you, it will find its path. I would like to thank Kenny Lawns for organizing this to help us get jobs. Hello everyone, I'm Sally. I'm a final-year student from the Oxford College of Engineering, pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering in Biotechnology. So we had our exams today, and our placement officer had posted that there is a free fair which is happening in Coorgate in Sierra. So everybody attend. So then we finished it and we came today. We gave our interview. It consisted of 3 rounds. So the first one was assistant based. The second one was technical and HR interview. The final thing was also an HR interview. So the overall process was very smooth, and everybody kept us updated about the things happening in and around us. And it began with the pre-placement talk, where one of the sir had given about many people spoke about the job roles and what are the career aspects that you can get in joining this company. And I would like to thank Kenny Lawns for organizing this to help us get jobs and get connected with companies. So I was born and brought up in Bangalore, but my native is Tamil Nadu. So being in Bangalore and getting to know also companies or connections, today I never expected that the day would go this smooth, because in the brochure it was mentioned like from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I thought, okay, there will be many people waiting around and you have to wait for a long hours waiting for their updates from each round. But the hiring people and as well as the coordinators managed very well in letting us know from the results of each round, and they also gave us input like how to prepare for the next round, some what are the extra questions that you can get and how you can prepare. So that was one thing additionally which I would like to mention, which benefited us very much. Result, it is still on hold because due to income systems I have not finished my education, so it is on hold. So we have to discuss more about it. No, this is my first experience. I have attended on-campus interviews, but career fair, this is the first one. I would like to thank my college, the placement cell, and Kenny Lawns for organizing this fair, and all the members who were involved in the process, and the HRs, all of them were very kind. They made sure that they explain what the process is all about. So just like not just the job role, what are your career goals, but everything or any other doubts that you have in your mind, so they help us in understanding their process and how we can adapt ourselves to join their company. Yeah, definitely I would recommend people to attend interviews whenever connected in the near future. It would really help them. Overall, the day was very smooth. It was not as I expected. It was in a good note, and I would like to tell like if something is meant for you, it will find its path. So just don't get upset if you're not selected or something, because I have attended like other interviews and technical, mostly IT coding. So the whole run they have come here and coded. So I was disappointed, like, oh no, I don't like coding, then how can we succeed in this world? But there are better opportunities waiting for you. So it's just the right time and the right opportunity that you would make use of.